This video shows how to make savoury scones. It uses a method called rubbing in, which is used for recipes such as fruit crumbles, pastry, and scones. Get all of your ingredients and equipment ready. Preheat the oven to 220 centigrade or gas mark 7. Weigh and measure the ingredients. Sift the flour into the mixing bowl. Using your fingertips and thumbs, rub pieces of cold butter or hard fat into the flour until it resembles fine breadcrumbs. Add the grated cheese and diced mixed peppers. Mix everything together. Then make a well in the middle of the flour. Pour in the milk a bit at a time and mix it with the spoon or palette knife to make a soft dough. Save a little of the milk for later. Lightly flour the work surface. Place the dough on the flour and knead lightly. Lightly flour the rolling pin. Then roll out the dough. Roll the dough in one direction, then turn 90 degrees and roll again. This keeps the dough even. Repeat this procedure and roll until the dough is around 1.5 centimeters thick. Cut out the scones using a cutter. Place the scones onto a lined baking tray. Roll out any remaining dough, cut into more scones, and place them on the baking tray as well. When all the scones are on the baking tray, brush them with a little milk before placing them in the oven. Place the scones in the oven, remembering to wear oven gloves, for 12 to 15 minutes until they are golden brown. Remember, rub in the fat into the flour until it resembles breadcrumbs. Add the cheese and peppers before you add the milk. Mix to form a soft dough. Roll out the dough carefully. Use a scone cutter to make the scones. And always wear oven gloves when using the oven.